Instant regret in full color.
Me in paint! Don't act innocent! You knew I was coming by! You set a trap to attack me! That's what this is! This is harassment! This is psycho!
You can hear the panic here. This plan failed in seconds.
You need to pay for my hairstyle and my clothes! This is outrageous! I was trying to help you!
Please, maybe we should just...
No one expected that splash.
Oh no! This fucking paint soaking my jacket and reach my shoes are ruined! I can't see it in my mouth! Damn it, look at the cars everywhere!
The getaway ended in paint. They froze the second it burst.